Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to United States for free. This is something you're interested in. Please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Just so you know, the deadline is coming up very soon, but of course, a rolling opportunity, so you can always apply next year in case you don't make the cut for this year. But before we proceed, like you like this video and do well to share with your friends. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments. I'm nosy like that. And just so you know, this is not just one other channel. I'm building a community here and I really want to know everything. And I know every single one of you that comes to watch my videos and I want to meet you if you're new for the first time. So if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourself. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. In case you're wondering what is hanging over here, that is one of my pieces and that's on my mannequin. So I'm a fashion designer and I drop 3 videos on this channel every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make it a day to join me. If you want to travel, you want to make your travel dreams come true on a budget or even on zero budget, this is the place for you to be. So without further ado, let's get right into how to apply for this amazing opportunity. All of the nitty-gritty, all the details that you need to know when it comes to applying for this travel opportunity. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, are you ready to study in the United States without paying tuition and receive a yearly stipend? Then buckle up. Because in today's video, I will be diving into the 2026 West Texas A&M University scholarships. Yes, it is one of the most prestigious, in fact, one of the most generous offers for master's and undergraduate students worldwide. And in case you're wondering what is the opportunity, guys, this is not just your average scholarship. It is fully funded, meaning your tuition is completely covered and you receive an impressive $27,974 living stipend every year. And that's right. Yes, this is money to actually cover your education, your housing, your food, your books, and so much more. And here are the scholarship details. The host university or the host institution is West Texas A&M University in Texas. It covers full tuition and they give you annual living stipend. It is also open to applicants all around the world. Best is why Texas A&M University? In case you're asking, why should I go to this school, guys? It is located in the heart of Texas. West Texas A&M University is not just known for its affordability, it is recognized for its warm welcome to international students and career-focused programs in business, engineering, health, and so much more. And here are some highlights, guys. Over 100 academic programs, safe and affordable campus in Canyon, Texas. It is an award-winning faculty and student support access to Texas industries and career pipelines. So besties, who can apply for this opportunity? And guys, here are the requirements. So who actually qualifies? It is simple and as easy and as straightforward as it sounds. It is for international students from any country in the world who plan to apply for the 2026 academic year. You guys are eligible. And for you, just so you know, non-US citizens that are applying for a degree, they also have to meet certain criteria. So you have to meet the English language and academic entry criteria. It is competitive, guys. So make sure that you come correct. And here is how to apply. Guys, don't just apply to win. Let me also walk you through because there's some key strategies that are going to give your submission the edge above other people. First thing I'll tell you to do is to start early. Yes, this deadline is coming up soon, but which means that, you have to prepare the academic transcript and recommendation letters. Go ahead and craft a personal statement that also highlights your goals and your leadership. Yes, go ahead and visit the scholarship link. It's going to be in my description. Don't worry, I've done all the homework for you. So besties, make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. Send this video to your friends and your besties and your loved ones. And here are some of the values, the real value of winning this particular scholarship. I mean, imagine graduating with zero tuition debt and the freedom to actually focus on learning, to focus on research and student life, beyond the financial perks that you get. As a recipient, you join a vibrant international community with mentorship, career development, and networking opportunities. You also receive 100% tuition coverage, nearly $28,000 in annual living support. You also help get to build your career. There are resources and faculty support for you. It's also a global education in the Lone Star State. By the way, Texas is the Lone Star State. And in case you're wondering, if you have been waiting for a sign Guys, this is it. Go for it. The West Texas A&M Scholarship 2026 is one of the best opportunities that you have to study in the United States without the financial stress. Take action now and give yourself the future that you deserve. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more scholarship deep dives and global student support. Do you have any question for me? Drop them below. I've got your back, because guys, studying abroad is not just about academic. It's a complete transformation. For graduate, working professionals, or even anyone that is dreaming of an international career or degree, global education, it does more than shape your resume. It actually shapes you. Yeah, it's just the way it shaped me as well, because I got my master's degree here in the United States. You learn to adapt to a new country, the new stems, new people, and you also learn to thrive. And then you build confidence. I mean, from navigating public transportation to handling tough situations all by yourself. You also gain independence. You get to manage your studies, your finances, and life teaches you the real world responsibility. And then you discover yourself. Yes, living abroad reveals your own strengths. It reveals your passions and your potential. And you become globally ready and equipped with soft skills, yes, cultural sensitivity, and a growth mindset. Now, guys, the classrooms abroad are not just the beginning. It is the life outside that teaches you the most valuable lesson. Now, are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Jump on this train. Are you considering studying abroad? Guys, beyond academics, like I said, it's a game changer. You get to build powerful global network, and here is why. Number one, diverse connections. Because studying abroad connects you with your peers, with professionals, your professors, and people from different cultures and industries. And these relationships can actually open doors to international career opportunities. And when it comes to global perspective, engaging with diverse viewpoints, it helps to enhance your own adaptability and cultural intelligence. Yes. Now, your skills, employers actually, these are the skills that employers value in today's interconnected world. You also enjoy an alumni network. It's always very strong, the global alumni communities. And go ahead and tap into these networks, because they can lead into, they can lead to mentorship, prospective job prospect. And guess what? There are events as well, events and collaborations, guys. From international conferences to campus clubs, you will have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You also get to boost your career, because relationships that are built abroad can translate into recommendations. It can translate into partnerships or even startup collaborations in the future. Because studying abroad is not just about a degree. It is about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to take the leap? Go ahead and do that right now. I've done all the homework for you as always. Find the link in my description and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I am here to offer you all the support in the world. Then you have to join my Patreon community, or you join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button here on my channel. Go ahead and join my Patreon community or my channel membership, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation. Because if you book a consultation and you're not a member, I will not honor the invitation. I have to cancel the meeting, because before now it used to be free. Like, anyone can book my consultation, but I noticed some people are not, they're not go-getters, and I can't help that, and they book my consultation, they don't show up in the meeting. So I decided to make it a paid one, so that you value my time and your time as well, and then you take it more serious. I'm doing this for you guys. Sometimes you don't value what you don't pay for. So yes, go ahead and book a one-on-one consultation with me, join my Patreon community, and of course I'll see you guys on the inside. I've done that, and I'm here to offer you all the support that you need. And in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care, guys, and enjoy. Take care, guys, and bye for now. I love you. Bye, guys.